Hey, I'm Noah Grimm and welcome to Music Store TV. Today we're gonna check out the Fame Phaser. Let's go! The Fame Phaser is a very inexpensive true bypass phaser pedal. The pedal comes in this really cool looking box and has a very sleek design. It's extremely easy to use with only one knob and a little switch up top. The knob, which is called the speed knob, controls the tempo of the effect, and the switch switches between a modern and vintage style phaser effect. Now let's listen to how these controls interact with our sound. Now, if you have any more questions on the Fame Phaser, feel free to leave them in the comment section below or visit our website for more information. If you don't want to miss any of our new videos, then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time guys, keep rocking!